me Mansha Sharma from Diploma in Civil Engineering second year second part. Today I am going to discuss about some points, tips and tricks for civil engineers working at construction sites. As we know, civil engineers they do their activities at construction sites and there are some works which are repetitive in nature. So some points, tips and tricks should be known to the civil engineers. For faster calculation as well as quick solution at construction site. So there are few points that I am going to discuss now. Lapping is not allowed for the bars having diameter more than 36 mm. Chairs spacing maximum spacing is 1 meter. Chairs minimum 12 mm bar diameter should be used. For dowel rod 12 mm diameter should be used. Main bars of slab shall not be less than 8 mm or 10 mm or shall not be less than 8 mm or not more than 1 by 8 mm of slab thickness. Minimum thickness of slab is 125 mm. Water absorption capacity of brick should not be more than 15%. pH value of water should not be less than 6. Compressive strength of brick is 3.5 Newton per mm square. So now these are the points. Now I am going to discuss some density and materials which are to be known to the civil engineers. Density and materials such as bricks. Density of brick is 1600 to 1920 kg per meter cube. Density of concrete block is 1920 kg per meter cube. Density of reinforced concrete is 2310 to 2700 kg per meter cube. These are some density and materials. Now I am going to discuss some RCC members, deshuttering time of RCC members, such as for columns, walls and formworks 16 to 24 hours. For soffit of slabs is 3 days. Soffit of beams, props 7 days. Beams spanning 4.5 meter is 7 days. Beams spanning over 4.5 meter is 14 days. Arches spanning up to 6 meter is 14 days. Arches spanning up to arches spanning over 6 meter is 21 days. These are the points which are to be known to the civil engineers who works at construction sites. So I have finished my points. Now I want to say that as I am very lucky that I am reading in Central Engineering College. Thank you.